Welcome to in front of me HUAWEI P9 Lite, and I'll show you how to record slow motion videos on this device. So first you should go into the camera application, and now as you can see I just got activated this mode. I will turn it off. Now you can see that my camera is activated, and just now to use this the slow motion mode on your device camera, you should slide with your finger simply to the right side to open all the camera modes here, and just to record the slow mode here, click once on this icon, slow-mo icon, and now just we'll try to record the slow-mo video. So click here to start to record, and as you can see here we got the stopwatch. Now just here click to stop the slow-mo video, and now we'll check it in our device gallery, and as can you see we just successfully record the slow-mo video on our HUAWEI P9 Lite. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.